I'm flawed and I know that I'll always be this misery, these chilly feelings creeping low. This house of memories are still taunting me. Lushful prison, what